2005 Porsche Cayenne, we have an AC error code 1596. Servo motor for fresh air circulation flap. That's this servo motor. And I purchased this servo motor from Aliexpress because I didn't want to pay dealer prices. Let's see if it works. So this servo for the recirculation flap is located under the dash on the passenger side. So I'm gonna position the camera under here, and the cover for the dash, under dash, is held in by a T20 torque screw. So you have to remove that T20 torque screw. And you position the camera. Hopefully you can still see it while you remove it. Or I'm just gonna hold the camera and see if I can take it with one hand. Again, this is a T20 torque screw. Oh, oops. Okay, once that's out, you can pull down the whole under dash. There. Now we got to remove the courtesy lights, the switches for the connectors for the courtesy lights. On this one, you press on the sides and pull it out, I think, right? Okay, let's pull it out a bit so I can't see. Okay, so you press on this tabs inside, there you go. Then if you have your charge port or lighters still connected, you gotta push the tabs in and pull it out. For some reason mine's not connected. Okay, let me just take this, put it out of the way. Next, where is it? There you are. And this is the servo motor that we need to remove. Let's take out the connecting rod first. So to remove the rod, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, it's not focusing. Focus. We just flip it on the side. Do it. Flip. There you go. And it's removed. So that's the first thing that we need to remove. Alright, let me see if I can lie camera. Oops. So believe it or not, this recirculation flap motor is held in by 5.5 millimeter bolts or 732-inch bolts. So get your 732 or 5.5 millimeter socket and try to remove them. I'm in handheld mode. Sorry, because there's no space for me to put the camera on, so bear with me as I can see what I'm trying to remove. There you go. Okay, counterclockwise. Hope you don't get dizzy on me. Okay. One. Oh, thank goodness I do yoga. Two. And oops. All right, now it's out, and that's where the other end of the rod is connected to. I don't think I showed it earlier. Now let me pull it back a bit, and here's the circulation servo motor. Let me take it out. So press on the locking tab for the connector, then push out. Ta-da! And that's your old servo motor. This is the new one. So that's a side-by-side comparison of the old servo motor and the new servo motor. Now before I completely reinstall this new one or install this new one, let's test it first. I'm gonna connect the wire here. Where is it? Okay, give me a second. Alright, it's connected. Then I'm gonna turn on and off the recirculation button on the vehicle, and let's see if this moves. Okay, so please bear with me. I'm just improvising our position. So I'm turning on the recirculation flap. Yeah, it works. Alright. Huh. Alright, so it works. Now we know that the old one is the one that's defective. You know what, just for comparison, I reinstalled the old one, and when I turn it on, off, it's not moving. Now let's put in the new one. And as you saw, it immediately moved. Alright, so we're 100% sure that this one's defective. So unfortunately, due to lack of space, I can't really show you to install it step by step, but I can show you how to install it. So in the same position we removed the old one, we're just gonna reposition this, align the holes for the threads. Then we're gonna put in the screws, the 3 screws that we removed, put in the connector, then put in the rod. Alright, I gotta do that off camera because really there's no space, I'm sorry. But you get the idea. Okay, I'm attempting to record it, but I don't know how it's gonna look like, so I hope it looks good. Okay, and just tighten it snug. Don't over tighten it because you might break the plastics. These are all plastics. I'm gonna put the rod first. So you just snap it in the bolts. Then we're gonna put the connector back. There you go. Okay, I'm doing a split screen. One is on the recirculation servo motor and one is here at the bottom. So I'm pressing it and I can hear it moving. Turning it off. Alright, it's moving. And that is how to replace the recirculation servo motor for this 2005 Porsche Cayenne. Thank you for watching.